Danny, standing here in front of you today is exactly where I want to be. 11 years ago, when we first met, I remember looking into your eyes and feeling like I plugged into something so profound it was almost familiar. After all of these years, that feeling is still there when I look at you today. I feel safe with you. Everything in me recognizes you as my home.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing memory. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind.
Danny, the day that seemed like a lifetime away is finally here. I need you to know that you have completely changed the course of my life. Everything is better because of you. You challenge me on a daily basis to be confident in who I am and to stop and enjoy the world around me. You are the perfect balance in my life. Thank you for being my safe place, my hero, my best friend, and my person. So here's to today, the official start of our family. Love, your soon-to-be wife, Samantha.
Samantha, today I finally get to call you my wife. It seems like yesterday we were on the phone planning our first date together. It's crazy to think that 11 years could flash by our eyes, and yet my nerves still jump being next to you. Since then, you've always been yourself around me. Funny, full of life, arguably the most adventurous person I know, but most importantly, that independent woman we all know and love.
Oh, you look so good. Wow.
You look so nice. It's our wedding day.
Yeah.
Let's go on a helicopter.
In the grip of your arms, far from where I
You have opened my eyes to a life I never knew would exist. No matter where we are traveling in the world, home will always be next to you. I promise to make your life the best adventure you've ever dreamt of. Here's to our future, forever and always, your soulmate, Danny. Samantha, you're such a strong, caring, independent woman. Every day you set new limits for yourself. So I vow to always support you in every decision I make, standing behind you for every goal you set. I vow to comfort you in times of need and to share our times of joy. I promise to always put you first, even if I'm hungry. And I promise to continue our A&W NFL Sunday tradition season after season, even if the Eagles beat the Vikings.
begin by first of all welcoming Danny and Samantha. Welcome to Canmore and welcome to your wedding day. This will be a day you remember and celebrate for many years to come. Thank you for coming to share with them in the wedding ceremony and the celebration.
Give you this ring that you may wear it as a lasting reminder of our marriage vows and as a symbol of my love.
Today, I stand here making the easiest decision of my life, becoming your wife.
On the authority vested in me by the province of Alberta, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss!
Samantha, the adventure you and Danny are embarking on will be the best one yet. We wish you the very best in your life together and nothing but happiness always.
Danny, we could not be happier to welcome you into the family. It's a parent's dream to see their children with someone special, and Danny, this certainly is you.
Sue and Ron, we thank you very much for raising such a wonderful son. Danny is a warm, loving person, perfect for our Samantha in every way. Thank you so much for welcoming Samantha into your family. We're so happy to call you family now.
Danny and Samantha, your love for each other is undeniable. Sue and I are so happy that you have found each other. We would like you to have this hammer as a metaphor so that you can build a long and happy life together. We love you guys so much.
Since Sam is now officially a doctor, I figured my speech should somehow relate to the words of a doctor. So I wrote my speech related to the famous doctor, Dr. Seuss, of course. The speech is titled, Sam I Am. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do sure love that Sam I am. Sam, you are truly one of a kind and the best friend a girl could ask for. We all do love our Sam I am. Yippee, yippee, she found her man!
Danny and Samantha, we were both honored to be up here speaking for you guys today. The beautiful mountain views, which cleared up. We have a beautiful rainbow right behind us. You can see the three sisters. Today was beautiful, to say the least. Canmore really cannot be a better spot to celebrate your guys' biggest adventure yet. Samantha, you look absolutely stunning tonight. Danny, I have no f***ing idea how you pulled this off. But we couldn't have asked for anybody better to be standing by his side tonight.